Hi everyone, Jack from RosterElf here. Thanks for joining me for a quick walkthrough on printing your roster in RosterElf. Let's jump straight in. How to access the Print Roster feature. Click the Print button at the bottom right of the roster screen to open the Print Roster Options modal. Confirm that the modal pre-selects options based on your current roster view so you can print faster. How to customize print settings. Choose the period option to set the exact date range you want on the printed roster. Select PDF or CSV to match how you plan to share or analyze the roster. Pick a view type, by staff, sites, or positions, to organize shifts in the way your team reads best. Choose all sites, or pick specific sites to focus the roster on one location. Choose all staff, or select individuals to personalize who sees what. How to choose display details. Toggle open, draft, and publish shifts to control which shift statuses appear on the printout, hide positions when you need a compact roster, or show them for extra clarity. Switch the site address on if you want it in the footer for quick reference. Switch the site name label on each shift to clarify where everyone is working, especially across multiple sites. That's all there is to printing a clear, customized roster in RosterElf. If you have any questions, our support team is always ready to help. Happy rostering, and catch you in the next video.